Namaste, all the beautiful souls. I, Rupa Khanal, your medium for tarot guidance, welcomes all the beautiful souls on my YouTube channel, White Tara Tarot Reading. Dear beautiful souls, as you have been expecting for the tarot predictions for the month of December 2020, so we are here with the general predictions starting from Aries to Pisces, covering all the zodiac signs video by video. So before we proceed into the predictions, beautiful souls, as we all know, December is month full of festive vibes and energies. So I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Definitely, we will be back again to wish you on the same day, but to start with, wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, beautiful souls. So without ado, let's get started with your zodiac sign. Beautiful Aries ascendant, zodiac sign number 1. Let us see what is stored for the beautiful Aries ascendants in the month of December 2020 with the blessings of your guardian angel, that is Archangel Ariel. So beautiful souls, your soul's voice is I am. So let me start spreading the cards and let's see what is stored up for the beautiful Aries ascendants. 2 of Pentacles followed by 7 of Cups, the energy of love and the money in the month of December with the series of unexpected surprises in your favor. And this is the card from the Law of Attraction deck, which I'm going to reveal to you in a while. So beautiful Aries ascendant, you can see there is a love relationship moving ahead in the month of December, but with a lot of unexpected emotions. So you are going to experience a lot of new experiences when it comes to your love relationship. 7 of Cups, this is also a card which is indicating that there are improvements in the financial sector, and the month of December will bring you a little bit of juggling. If you can look at the 2 of Pentacles, this card indicates that the beautiful Aries ascendants needs to do a little bit of juggling, which they are very good at. So you have to juggle between your finances and your emotions, but definitely you will be about to create that balance, because if you can look at the picture, he is easily juggling between when you look at these pentacles, these are the finances. So you will be smoothly rotating the financial ups and downs in the month of December, and by the second week of December you will definitely witness great improvements in your finances. So second week of December is going to bring you stability, not only in your finances but also in your love relationship. So dynamics of the finances and the love dynamics are going to improve by the second week of December. And the 7 of Cups also brings you a little bit of shake. You can consider it as an alarm that do not rely on everybody or into everybody's words. So do not get influenced, because what you have to remember, this card is saying that all that glitters is not gold. So take your decisions wisely, and you will be able to do that by the second week of December, beautiful souls. And the other energies coming up for you in the month of December is a series of unexpected surprises, because the card has stood upright. So definitely the surprises are in your favor. So if you have been waiting for some kind of changes in your profession, it could be change of place, it could be change of job, it could be change of some ideas or opinions. So you are going to experience all that randomly, like at a very high speed. So you are going to observe catastrophic events, surprises which are going to fall in your favor, which are going to happen super quickly, very quickly, at the speed of lightning. So all kinds of things related to all the 4 elements: air, water, fire, and earth. You are going to get connected with all the energies of the cosmos, beautiful souls. The month of December is going to be really the summary of the whole year 2020. All that you have been expecting to do, all that you have been desiring to do throughout this year, in the year 2020, all that you're going to pull up the curtain by fulfilling all your desires and wish. So there is definitely love and money flowing into your way. So what is the law of attraction? Blessing the beautiful Aries ascendants. I get what I think about, wanted or not wanted. So you have to be ready for all kinds of changes coming into your life in the month of December. If you have been expecting those changes, if you are prepared for those changes, it's really easy to adapt, easy to adjust. But if you are not prepared for some changes, then you have to quickly adapt yourself to those changes, because everything is coming in your way in the month of December as if a flood of events. To explore it further, it makes no difference whether you want the specifics of it or not. So you're not worried about the consequences, you're just worried about what kind of vibes and energies those events will bring to you. So you are expecting for positive vibes, happy, joyous growth. So definitely what matters to you is the energy. So vibration is essential of the subject of your attention that is being attracted. That which you really want, you're going to get. That is love and the money. And that which you really do not want, that also you're about to get. So it could be I told you the first 2 weeks could really give you a tough juggling with your finances and your emotions, so which you don't want, but you will attract that also. But that doesn't at all make any difference, because you know that you will be able to balance out all your emotions and you will be able to generate great source of continuous wealth and income and money in your life. So beautiful souls, with that we come to an end with the general predictions. With that we come to an end with the beautiful Aries ascendants for the month of December 2020. So the energies are bringing in financial stability, love, and series of unexpected surprises in your favor, getting you connected with all the 4 elements of the planet. Beautiful souls, I hope this is going to resonate with the events and events which you are going to experience in the month of December 2020. With that we come to an end, and all the beautiful Aries ascendants, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Until next time, take good care of yourselves. Astu. Namaste.